SolaHD, an Emerson brand, offers the power quality solutions you need to run your machines safely and efficiently. Now you can configure and download 3D CAD models of those products right from the website. From the homepage, hover over Products, then SolaHD. For this first example, we'll take a look at Control Power Solutions. Click View Products, and choose the product or product series you'd like to download. To open the configurator, click View Drawings. Use the drop-down options to customize the product as needed. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of the product, which you can rotate and zoom within the 3D viewer. The configurator offers a wide range of views, so you can see the critical dimensions and up-close details. When you're happy with the product, click Download CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. You can also choose a file format by category, or by typing the name of the CAD system into the search bar. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. To explore more products, go back to the home page. Following the same navigation, this time we'll take a look at power quality and distribution. You can browse more products under the SolaHD brand until you find the one that best suits your need. From the product page, we'll open the configurator once more. Again, you can customize the product and see a 3D view. Any recent CAD downloads will be available in the configurator window, so you can always go back as necessary. The configurator also saves your preferred CAD format, so it's fast and easy to download multiple product models. You can also generate a 3D PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, and more. This is great for those who need to access the product information, but don't need a large CAD file. For more Appleton products and industrial components, go to appleton.emerson.com/en-us and visit partsolutions.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.